Sige po.
Good afternoon, my compatriots all in the Philippines and the world. Today is June 6, 2026, first Saturday. Our Lady of the Rosary in the National Shrine of Santo Domingo Church told me to offer the St. Therese of the Child Jesus Film Director or St. Therese of the Child Jesus Living Saints Production. Our Lady requested me to offer like the beads of the rosary of all my pilgrimage prayers and sacrifices in the Philippines and the world, so that the 2026 Philippines Transfiguration Temple for the world will be realized. Our Lady, I thank you. You have been guiding me through the years. Our Lady of the Rosary, may your miraculous call for this national shrine be realized in the Philippines and the world. Amen.